Okay, let's create an example project that will execute on our Zybo Z7 board. Create project. Click Next. We'll call the thing XOR. We'll add a create constraints file, which I've already downloaded off the website for the Zybo Z7. Click on boards. Vendor is Digilent. Select the Zybo Z720. That's the board we have. Finish. Okay. Add sources. Create, we'll just call it XOR top. Finish. Click OK. We're going to edit it by hand. I prefer the Emacs editor. Use the IEEE library, standard logic 1164. I also want to include the IEEE numeric standard. The entity declaration here includes the signals that we're going to go back to the XDC file and comment those in. In fact, let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to comment back in the clock. Also, we have 4 switches, 4 push buttons, 4 LEDs. Also, we have 2 tricolor LEDs. Go ahead and save that. Okay. Open up XOR top. create a hierarchy or a architecture. VHDL. First thing we want to do is go ahead and drive LED with switch XOR'd with button. Which takes care of our LEDs, but our tricolor LEDs we have to be especially careful with because they need to be driven with PWM. Basically what we're going to do is create a process, and the process uses sysclock as a sequential process. Every time the positive or the rising edge of sysclock happens, we increment count, and we drive our modulator. The way this is written is that the top 4 bits of count, when it's 0, we set modulator to 1, so we basically get a 1/16 modulator, and we drive the 2 LEDs, 2 tricolor LEDs, the LED 5 based on the first 3 of the slide switches, and the next are the LED 6 with the push buttons, and we're ANDing it with modulator so that it does not get a 100% turn on. Go ahead and save that. Click generate bitstream. Click yes. Okay. See in the upper right hand corner, you'll watch it go through the various steps. It's a small design. It should only take about a couple minutes of build time. It's done the synthesis. It's working on the implementation. It's routing the design. It's writing the bit stream. Click on view reports. And the thing that you're most interested usually is taking a look at the screen here. You see that all these numbers are in black, which basically says there's no timing violations. So open target, auto connect. I have the board connected already. Searching for it, connecting to it. And just click Program Device. Now the device is programmed. It's responding to the different switches and push buttons with an XOR function, and also the tricolor LEDs are being driven as well.